Hi everyone, I am Manoj and today we are going to learn about how to create 3D pop-up card using HTML and CSS. File it, then let's see demo first without further delay. To create 3D pop-up, we need to have two images. One is with background and the same image without background. So we are going to store these images in images folder. Once after collecting these images, we will going to create HTML file. So I will name it as index.html. Inside title, I will write 3D pop-up card. We are not going to do anything special. We just use div tag inside body tag. Inside that, I will use class called card. Once after creating that class, we will create a style. So I will name the style page as style.html and I will link that CSS to HTML. Since I have installed a live server, I will directly open this HTML using the live server in the Chrome tab. Now let's start to design our CSS. Let's design the body. Then we will designing the card class. Then we will be defining style of before and after of the card class. Then we will apply the background image to the card. Here I have missed D, so let me add D inside card. Here we go. Now we are done with the pop-up card, so you can see 3D animation. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Thank you.